Very good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start Zoology paper 1. The title of paper 1 is Animal Systematics and Diversity 5 and course code is ZY331. Dear students, in this lecture we are going to learn introduction and syllabus discussion of the Zoology paper 1. Dear students, there are 5 major topics, of which the first topic is study of Phyla globosa with reference to the following points. First point is systematic position, habit, habitat and external characters of the Phyla globosa. Second point is study of body wall and pallial complex. Third point is study of functional anatomy, and in functional anatomy, digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, excretory system, reproductive system, nervous system and sense organs are given here. The second topic is study of the following groups with reference to first group is protozoa, and in protozoa locomotion and nutrition mechanisms are given. Second group is porifera, and in this group skeleton and canal systems are given. Third group is Coelenterata, and in this group polymorphism and corals are given. And fourth group is Hemichordata, and in this group the affinities of the Hemichordata are given. Third chapter is study of Calotis versicolor with reference to the following points. First point is systematic position, habit, habitat and external characters of the Calotis versicolor. Calotis versicolor, in Marathi called as Sarda. Second point is functional anatomy, and in functional anatomy digestive system, circulatory system, excretory system, reproductive system, nervous system and sense organs are given. Fourth topic is comparative study of following topics in vertebrate animals. First topic is integument, skin of Scoliodon, frog, Calotis, pigeon and rat. Second topic is heart, and in this topic the comparative study of heart of Scoliodon, frog, Calotis, pigeon and rat are given. Third topic is kidney. In this topic, evolution of Archaeopteryx, pronephros, mesonephros and metanephros are given. Fourth topic is brain, and in this topic morphological variation in the different organs of the brain of Scoliodon, frog, calotis, pigeon and a rat or a rabbit are given. The last topic is study of following groups with reference to the first group is Pisces, and in this group dipnoi, accessory respiratory organs and electric organs in Pisces are given. Second group is Reptilia. In this group temporal vacuities and general characters of the Rhynchocephalia are given. And the third group is Mammalia, and in this group dentition in mammals is given. This is the syllabus of Zoology paper 1, Animal Systematic and Diversity 5. From next lecture we will start our actual syllabus with chapter number 1, study of Phyla globosa. Thank you very much.